Boiling the ocean. Understanding idiomatic phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, boil the ocean. This phrase may sound strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it effectively in conversations. The phrase, boil the ocean, is an idiom used to describe an impossible or inefficient task. It originates from the idea that boiling the entire ocean is an unachievable goal, due to its vastness and the immense amount of energy required. In everyday use, this idiom is applied to tasks that are overly ambitious, unrealistic, or overly complex. Let's look at some examples to understand how boil the ocean is used. 1. In business, our project scope is too wide. We can't boil the ocean. We need to focus on achievable goals. 2. Personal life. Trying to learn 10 languages at once is like trying to boil the ocean. Maybe start with 1 or 2. These examples show how the phrase is used to advise against overcomplicating tasks or setting unrealistic goals. The exact origin of boil the ocean is unclear, but it's been used in business and management contexts for several decades. It serves as a metaphor for taking on tasks that are so large or complex that they are either impossible or impractical to accomplish. To use boil the ocean correctly, remember, it's typically used in a negative context. Ideal for discussing project management, personal goals, or strategic planning. Often used as a caution against overambition or overcomplication. I hope this video helps you understand the idiom, boil the ocean, and its usage in English. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of language learning. They add color to our conversations and often carry interesting historical or cultural connotations. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to use boil the ocean in your next English conversation.